In today's video, I'm going to teach you QuickBooks Online how to restore a backup copy. If you've ever made changes you need to undo, or you just want to roll your company data back to a known good point, restoring a backup is the safest way to get there. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to the correct company and that you have the right permissions, typically as an admin, since restoring a backup can replace your current data. Start at your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Look to the top right corner of your screen for the gear icon. It's the small settings icon you use for company and account tools. Click that gear to open the menu. From there, select Backup Company. Depending on your plan and setup, this option may appear under your tools. If you don't see it, your subscription might not include backups, or the feature may not be enabled by your admin. Once you're in the Backup Company area, you'll see a list of your available backups. These are typically organized by date and time, so you can quickly identify the point you want to return to. Take a moment to confirm which backup you actually need. Think about when things were last correct, and choose the backup that reflects that moment. If your team has made any changes since that time, restoring will roll those back, so it's worth double-checking the timestamp and any notes you may have kept about your workflow. When you've identified the correct backup, click Restore next to it. QuickBooks may prompt you to confirm, because restoring replaces your current data with the data from that backup. Read any message carefully so you're aware of the impact, then proceed. The restore process can take a little time, especially if your company file is large, so be patient and avoid closing your browser while it runs. You may see a progress indicator or receive a notification when it's done. After the restore completes, sign back into your company if prompted and navigate around your books to make sure everything looks the way you expect. Check key areas like your customers, vendors, transactions, and reports to confirm the data matches the point you chose. If you collaborate with others, let your team know that you've restored a backup so they're aware of the current data state. And that's all there is to it. Click the gear icon, choose Backup Company, review the list, and click Restore on the backup you want. With those steps, you can confidently bring your QuickBooks Online company back to a previous state.